Oh, it's Papa. Papa, Texas.
Stop.
Yeah.
Good try. Okay, do it again, but pause for a second before you take off.
Oh. I gotta remember what the hell I said. Yeah, Papa, Texas. Yeah.
Everybody thinks they're Papa, Texas. I'm Papa. Papa, Texas.
What the crap are y'all doing?
I don't know.
This is my
We're being
camera.
Papa, Texas.
This is my camera. This is my show.
That's why we're being Papa, Texas.
Over.
What the hell? No, that's Papa, Texas camera, so we're using it. Yeah.
See what I do when I leave my camera laying around?
Yeah,
You can't
see.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got Rex and Badge here. We're at Lollapalooza 2019. But you know what? Everybody needs a badge. I got my badge right here. Badge, I want you to come up. He's from Canada. Let him tell you about his channel. Get on up in there. Don't be shy. Tell him about it.
What we have is a channel that's totally different than all the rest. It's not a blog. It's nothing. It's a fix-it channel. And it's called Badge. Everybody needs one. Even Papa Texas needs one. And he's a good cook, but he still needs a good mechanic once in a while.
That's right.
So that's what it's all about. All we do is fix a lot of stuff, and when they break it. You know all about that.
You've already helped me a couple things this weekend.
Yeah. So, yeah.
He helped me on my trailer.
Yeah, helped him on that too.
Yeah.
He took all the decal off the back of the trailer. We sat there and watched him. Yeah. Y'all check out Badge. Everyone needs one. Badge.
Everybody needs one.
Everyone needs one. And of course, Rex, he'll be on the end here somewhere. Check him out. Check him out. See ya. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
I just think you get paid for this craziness.
Oh, let me cut in here real quick. Check out his mobile, what do you call it? A mobile
Repair truck.
Repair truck. He's gonna open them doors up and show you.
Okay, now, I'll just give you because you're wondering where all this came from. I was a licensed mechanic for 50 years, and when I retired, I had 7 toolboxes, 7 snap-on toolboxes. So me and Al talked about it, and we downsized. But this as far as all downsized. So what we did was we put a rolling bed in here. It's a 6-foot truck.
Hey, let me bring the camera over closer. Come here. Oh
my God.
And you just roll this out. And it's got all your, it holds our generator, our oils, our spare parts, nut bolts and light bulbs, chemicals, all my cordless batteries, a 35-gallon water tank, and 4 solar batteries up there. We got 400 watts of solar on the roof, and we can run grinders, air compressors, all that stuff with that there. We got the vise, and then this here is the drawer. And that holds all the tools.
Nice.
Yeah, that's got, I never had to go get a tool yet to fix something, so, and we got like all the spare nuts and bolts and electrical kit and O-rings and all that stuff. And this here stuff is mostly the stuff I use like all the time, like the drills and the impacts. We got 3/8 and 1/2 inch. A lot of this is snap-on. It doesn't have to be snap-on. It's just that I had this left over.
Have they sponsored you yet?
Pardon?
Have they sponsored you yet?
No.
How about Castro Oil for wearing that jacket?
No. I used to have a Castrol sponsorship with a race car. So we come down to this. Well, not this. We got this one, and we have one more snap-on toolbox left. But this one here, and the boys, Dean and Michael from Navigation Nowhere, and Dean, Uncool Dean, they built this for me last summer when I didn't even know. They come in, gutted the truck, and they built this. They said, "What do you want in your back of your truck?" I said, "I want to be able to slide it out and I don't want a toolbox. And this is what they built me. I have the air compressor over here and the saw and the air conditioning gauge is here. And it's totally self-contained.
That's pretty awesome.
There's nothing I've ever had the need to fix anything. It's all got it all right here. And then I have, yeah, and then I've got a little bit of storage up front there that I don't get at very often. So I can get at it all from on the ground, which that's what I wanted.
So where do you sleep?
In the trailer. So you just put that in there, lock that in.
That is one but hell.
Back to your regular program. Yeah.
That is one hell of a setup.
Yeah,